2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This is what it sounds like before. Let you guys hear it before. You guys always ask for videos before, so when we get a chance, we'll do it. Go ahead. Sound decibels. So when it peaks is 112. 2018 Dodge Charger. I'll let you guys heard it before. This is what it looks like before. Got factory converters there and there. Got factory X pipe there. Then what we're gonna do is take these mid mufflers out and replace them with Super 10 race mufflers. They're a special design. They're really small. As you guys can see, look at my hand. They're tiny. They're made for racing. Part number 325108. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for them. We're gonna leave the baffles on there. And then we're gonna leave the rear mufflers on it, or rear resonators, whatever you guys wanna call them. And the factory tips. So we'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Anyways, you saw what it looked like before we did anything to it. There's the converters, there's the X pipe, and we put the Flowmaster race mufflers, Super 10s, there and there. Part number 325108. And left the rear mufflers on it, or rear resonators, and stock tips. There and there. That's how you do them. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Sound decibels again. 114. That's what we cut off right there. Go ahead and back it up.
Hey, for all the ladies out there, this is what we do when you're washing your hair, baby. This is what we do right here.
That's it, right?
That's it right there.
That is funny. Ladies, while you're washing your hair, we're doing this.
That is nice, man.
Oh, beast mode. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And it's quiet and idle, man. It's crazy. I like that. Dodge Charger Hellcat. And you guys know, it's my favorite color, as always. Player blue. Player blue. I like that. Definitely a player blue. When you want to make a statement, but not too loud. Nice. There you go. 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat SRT. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it. Got stock converters there and there. Then it's got the factory X pipe on 3-inch pipe. Then what we put on it. 2 Flowmaster Outlaws in the middle, right there, right there. Part numbers 15430S. If you guys want them, there'll be a link in the description for them. And then we did a rear muffler delete on each side, there and there, and put some massive 5-inch tips rolled there and there. Because you know what? That's how they need to come from the factory. They look so much cleaner and better with 5-inch tips. Right there. We'll have a link in the description for them too, hopefully. There's the 2 mufflers and 2 resonators we cut off. That was before, and this is after. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Dodge Charger 2020 Hellcat. And it's a wide body. Sorry, I forgot. Much better. Is that exactly what you wanted? Woo! Wow. That's perfect. There's sound decibels. Again. 122, bro. That is sick. I gotta get me one, man. I'm jealous. Nah, you got the truck. Yeah, but it's not the same. Truck is for a truck. And that wide body, 2020 SRT. It's screaming. Heck yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. We've got a YouTube channel. You know about our YouTube channel, right? Yeah. It's screaming. You like that sound? You want yours like that? $2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body. What we got done on it? There's the factory converters there and there. Then it X's in the middle, 2.5-inch pipe. Then what we put on it is some Carven exhaust there and there. And they are type R's. There they are. Part number CVESR 30s. R series performance mufflers. If you guys want them, there'll be a link in the description. You're gonna have to take them to a muffler shop to get them installed because they have to add sleeves in, as you guys can see there and there. Then what we did, we cut the rears off there and there and put 5-inch tips, black, because they look really nice and they actually change the sound. It deepens the sound a lot, as you guys can see right there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off and tips, 4-inch tips. There's the resonators or mufflers, whatever you want to call them. And we, before, ugly. After, beautiful. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate everything you guys do for us. Much better. That's awesome. I love the wide stance, man. It just completes it. That was one of the best things they've done when they did the wide body on them. Rub, 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 rub. Carvens and rear muffler delete with 5-inch tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger Hellcat wide body. Boom.